Okay, so Iron Maiden Wasted Years is one of the first songs that I learned on guitar early on. That's the start of the song, so pretty easy. It's not too difficult. All you're doing is it's an open string, which is the E. Okay, and then the notes are 12. Okay. Okay, that's going to be 7, 8, 5, 7, 3, 5, 2, 3, 3, 5, and then 2, 3. Okay, so we're gonna go slow, no distortion, and you're just hitting the open string. So that's what it sounds like without distortion. Now we gotta put some distortion on it, and we'll go slow. Okay, so now we're gonna play it at the speed that you hear it on the album. Okay. So it's essentially how you play the start of Wasted Years by Iron Maiden. If you want to get some tab for that, let me know in the comments. Or if you want to get some further insight on how to play that, just let me know and I'll be able to help you out. See you on the next one. Bye.